Jade Yoga Mat App. The pros, the cons. You might think all yoga mats are the same, but the Jade Yoga Mat App proves that mindfulness can extend beyond the mat itself. This eco-friendly brand takes yoga to a deeper level, connecting your physical practice with sustainability and digital guidance. But is the app actually worth your time? Let's explore the pros and cons. First, the pros. The Jade Yoga Mat App complements the company's popular natural rubber mats, known for their grip and eco-conscious design. Through the app, you can access a wide range of yoga classes, from gentle beginner flows to challenging power sessions. The instructors focus on alignment, mindfulness, and breath, perfect for those who want an authentic yoga experience. What sets the app apart is its focus on environmental impact. Jade partners with reforestation projects, and the app highlights mindfulness not just in practice, but in daily life. You'll find guided meditations, sustainability tips, and even yoga challenges designed to reduce stress while staying grounded in purpose. The app's interface is simple and soothing, with classes you can download and follow offline. Plus, its programs are structured, helping you stay consistent, whether you're working toward flexibility, balance, or calmness. Now for the cons. The app's library isn't as extensive as some larger yoga platforms, and the video production, while calming, is more minimalist. It's ideal for focused yogis, but may not appeal to those looking for flashy visuals or upbeat fitness music. In conclusion, the Jade Yoga Mat App is for people who view yoga as more than just exercise. It's a lifestyle. It's calm, conscious, and deeply rooted in purpose. If you're looking for an app that blends authentic yoga instruction with mindful living, this one's a beautiful match.